All right, we are now taking an experiment and looking at working with shapes to a right triangle. We're doing a new problem, and this one involves a right angled triangle. And the equation we need to evaluate is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. And the problem is laid out this way. This is x to the third power, and this is y squared minus y. Now the area for a triangle is equal to 1/2 the base times the height. And right here, we'll do this in a different color. Let's go back to, we'll go use red. The length here we'll call the base, and the length here we'll call the height. Now we're going to want 1/2 of that because the formula for a triangle is different from the formula for a rectangle, which is just the base times the height. For a rectangle, it's the base times the height. This works out to be 1/2 of that. So now let's go ahead and substitute in some numbers and evaluate the base times the height divided by 2. So another way to write this is like this. B times h all divided by 2. What's the base? The base is y squared minus y, and the height is x to the third power, and we're going to divide that by 2 once we've processed and worked through the substitution. Using PEMDAS, we have 5 squared minus 5 times x is 2, 2 to the third power, and then everything is divided by 2. What does this equal? This is 5 squared is 25, minus 5 is 20, times 2 to the third power. Well, that's 2 times 2 times 2, and then everything is divided by 2. Well, at this point, what we can do is we can cancel out 2 2's, and now we have an easier problem to evaluate. S equal to 4. 4 times 20 is 80. So the area is equal to 80. Now we don't have units, so let's call them inches. 80 square inches. You always need units, and you want to represent it as squared because you've multiplied one part by another, and you get a square unit. And that's what we've got.